In this video, I'm going to show you how to change file extensions in Windows 11. So open up your File Explorer, okay, and then just select a file. So for example, I've got this file here, so I'm going to just select this file, okay, click on it, select it. And then once you've selected it, go to the Views tab here, click on the View tab. And from the View tab, select these options here, the options here tab, click on it. And from there, select Change Folder and Search Options. Click on it, and then once you get to this section here, this dialog box here, click on the View tab here. So tap on the View tab, and then from here under Advanced Settings, scroll down and you will see an option called Hide Extensions for Non-File Types. Untick that, okay, untick that, hit on Apply, and then hit on OK. Okay, once you do that, and you see that the file now has the extension name. So now all we have to do is rename it. To rename it, you can simply select the file and press F2, or right click the file and select rename. And then now what we're going to do, go to the file extension name which is next to the dot or the full stop there. So just tap on it and then change it, okay, hit on enter. Okay, it's going to ask you for confirmation, tap on yes, and that's it. The file extension has now been changed. Okay, so if you click on the properties, you'll see that the file type has been changed. Before it was MP4, now it's AVI, and that's how you do it.